The number one reason beginners get rescued is an injury. It's running out of daylight because they treated a November hike like a July hike. A 4-hour hike starting at 1 p.m. is safe in summer, but dangerous in late autumn. As seasons change, your window of safety shrinks. You must check sunset times, not just the temperature. Beginners often dress for the trailhead temperature, not the hike effort. If you feel warm before you start moving, you are overdressed. You should actually feel chilly for the first 15 minutes. This prevents you from sweating through your base layers, which leads to freezing when you stop for a break. Spring and fall are deceptive. It might be 60 degrees at your car, but icy at the summit. This is when simple traction devices become mandatory, even on so-called easy trails. In autumn, fallen leaves hide tripping hazards like roots and loose rocks. In spring, mud is unavoidable. Do not widen the trail to avoid mud. Walk right through it to protect the ecosystem. Hydration needs change drastically by season. You feel less thirsty in winter, leading to accidental dehydration, while summer demands significant water weight. For your very first hikes, target late summer or early autumn. You get stable weather, no bugs, drier trails, and manageable temperatures. Save the extremes for when you have more experience. Before you go, verify these 3 data points. Ignore the general weather forecast and look for specific trail conditions. Respect the season, check the sunset, and hike smart.